Today we are going to make Uyghur style winter dumplings. As you can see, this is very simple recipe with less ingredients than normal. In Uyghur cuisine, we use lots of seasonal vegetables, and for this recipe, I'm going to use radish. This is my favorite dish whenever I have a cold. It warms the body up. It's very simple to make and it's very delicious. Let's begin. Add salt, add the water little by little and knead it until it becomes smooth. As you can see, it's smooth and there's no dry spot. Don't forget to cover it with a wet towel. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. The dough is resting. Now I'm going to fine chop the ingredients such as lamb, radish, onion and Asian cabbage. I added the salt. Now I'm squeezing all the ingredients like this. In this way, I'm going to mix all the ingredients evenly. At the same time, we squeeze the water out of the Asian cabbage. Look at this. I'm squeezing out the excess water. Put it in another pan. Put them back in the mixing bowl. Add white pepper and add pinch of ginger powder. And add pinch of salt and mix. Prepare the water because we are going to cook the dumpling. The filling for the dumpling and the dough, they are ready. Now we are going to make little cute dumplings. Sprinkle some flour on the working surface and also on the cutting board. This is my dough. It looks great. Sprinkle some flour. Make this little thinner and longer, and then I'll roll it on the working surface. Now make a little ball like this. It's a little smaller than a walnut. Each ball become a little cute dumpling. Now roll it between your palms like this and then put it on the working surface. Press it. It's very simple. Roll it again, each ball, press it. As a child, I make this always with my mother. It's like a game. I liked it so much. If you have little children, you can make these dough little cuties with your children. It's so fun to do, it's so simple. They will love it. I'm going to use a rolling pin. And with the rolling pin, make each piece thinner and bigger. Put the filling on the dough and fold it like this. Other side too. And then put the opening on your index finger and press it with your thumb. Cute little dumplings are almost ready, and boiling water is also ready. I'm going to stir the water like this to make a whirlpool, and then put the dumplings. Put it very gentle and stir it from the bottom so they don't stick to each other. Stir it very gentle and let it cook for about 4 minutes. They are ready. Shira, dumplings are ready. I'm so happy with the result. You can combine this with larman chili sauce. I already made this recipe on the channel, so you can find this on my channel. And you can also combine this with black rice vinegar. Hope you like this recipe and see you next week. Bye!